Daddy, is it story time? Yeah, Daddy, is it story time yet? Maybe. I'm not sure yet. What? You're not sure, but you're always sure. Yeah, true. I'll think about it. Give me a couple seconds. Maybe your mom will do some stories. Certainly. All right. Once upon a time, there was a scary person. That scary person became a husband. That person was that person. That person who's basically dead, who kills about 8,000 people a day. But not cats. Does he eat some cats? Yeah, really mean ones. Are we mean cats? I don't know. That's scary. Are we gonna die? I don't think so. You don't think so? What do you mean you don't think so? You don't think if your own child is going to die? Child's only 2. What about, oh, I get it. It's only baby and me. No, it's grape and me. It's so grape and me. Yeah, it is. I so believe you. Because boys don't exist. Only Daddy does. Because Daddy tells the best stories. That is true. That's the only thing that's good about him. I think I need a bowl. Is he going to puke? Is he, Mom? I'm not sure. Probably is. I'm going to go ahead and go get one. Just kidding. You're disgusting. But it never got anything on me. Not sure about that. I puke on myself all the time. Guess what? I turn myself green. That's how it happens with your son. I puked on you before he had him. You had him. So, yeah. That's where he got his green from. I thought he was supposed to be yellow or something. Something like this. But my daughter, she got a little darker, so she doesn't have blue. Yeah, I wish there was a blue. Blue would probably be a boy. Yeah, there'd be 2 girls. 1 girl, 2 boys, probably. Or depending on you, there would only be 2 boys because you're sure. But, nope. What's that sound? Oh, it's the war sound of the little stupid heads up in the bed. What? Stupid heads? I think I'm gonna lose my temper. Nobody will get us. We're so awesome, nobody can. A second. What is that stupid sound? I am happy. There's our stupid macaroons. Well, what is it you want? Those stupid macaroons that she got? Hi, what's that? You know, I'm a millionaire. Too bad, we're billionaires. Make that a billion. We got 1 million billion. I got 10 billion. Where is it? Why would I tell you that? It's in one of those macaroons. Oh, why did I say that? Oh, darn it. Why? Because you're really stupid. Like how he said you're stupid. He said I'm beautiful and he wants to marry me instead of that awful, hideous lady. Who said that? Don't hurt our mommy! We're not going to hurt your mommy. We're going to hurt her feelings. That's even stupider than we thought it was going to be. That actually is stupider. I'm getting out of here. Woohoo! Daddy landed on his face again. That's just stupider than the dudes up there. I agree. Yeah, because we're not stupid at all. Right, bro? Oh, I feel grumpy. I don't feel... Yeah, sure. Because I hate life. Wow! Ow. Ow. Okay, great. I can't get the stupid blanket on me. There we go. All nice and cozy. Time to sleep in because it's Saturday. True, but it's almost Sunday. And Sundays is, well, Mondays are the days that we go buy more money with you. And that's in 2 days. Woohoo! Yeah, I know, right. Sleep in for 2 days. But on Sunday is the day we go before the bank. And nobody knows what we do at the bank. Because we just kill people like we're cool. Yes, we do. But I get to go in the lectures. I get to kill. You just fly me over there because you're really, really stupid and bad at it. That's not true. I just don't want to do it. Yeah. You don't even know how to turn on the gun. That is just stupid. And you don't even know how to put the bullet in. Like, stupid and rubbish. Now, fetch me the blue one. Okay. Thanks. This looks as pretty as I am. But I don't want to eat. I'll just eat it. But I heard what you eat comes out as poop too. And then you get to eat it again. Yep. See? Look. Magic. Where's the queen? Right next to my butt. Okay, that's nice for you to say. So, now what are we going to do? Just stare at these like we're gone mad or something. Isn't Saturday the day that we're supposed to be sleeping in? Like Grandpa Cat. Yep, totally. Because he never snores. True. He snores. Who said that? But you snore, isn't that not luxuries? Yeah. Totally. I have to agree, even though I drool in my sleep. He drools and I goes out to shower the stupid old bed. Me and her had to share the bed and he slept on the floor. That'd be great. Luxury for us. Him, drool pool. He has a drool pool? Yeah, there's a pool he made out of only drool. So yeah, he goes in there and sleeps on every Saturday. And today's Saturday, right? Yep. Oh my gosh, how'd I know that? Saturday. I forgot what day it is though. Who cares? Let's see. Now what should we do today? Today is the day that we sleep in. That's what we do too. I love that day. It's like the best day ever. I died! Oh, I got back. Hey, I heard there's a new lady coming in. Who's that? Hey, look, it's the ceiling. I love the ceiling. Oh, no. What the heck was that? I came to visit your city weird land. You have a dad as a dinosaur, 3 normal little kittens with different colors, and a mom that's gray with a unicorn mane and horn and then a tail. That is just stupid. I don't get that. I agree, Mommy. So agree. I'd rather be drinking this milk though. I'm like, yeah. Milk is like the best thing ever. It's like when you're flying, but when you're drinking yourself, it feels like you're dying, but the complete opposite. Hey, Mommy, what time is it? I can't see what time it is. I gotta sniff this. I can't find anything. All I can see is my nose. Hey, well, come on. Well, what are we gonna do now? I'm bored of milk now after drinking it 10 million times a day. Shut up. Who said that? Shut up. Huh? Are you drunk? No. I said shush. Okay, that makes more sense because shut up is like, no way, I don't understand that one bit. But shush, I get that because my mom says that like 10 million times a day. Shush! See, I told you. I only said that because I was being sarcastic. What does that mean? You don't know what sarcastic means? If I don't know what shut up means, I know what sarcastic means. So sarcastic means eating your boogers. No. Sleeping in. No. Being funny. No. Fine. Since you guessed it, Oh. Yeah, it was actually what was it? Being stupid, that's what it was. Yeah, being stupid. That was so what it was. Yeah, I remember reading it in the dictionary, so yeah. I'm not going to tell you the actual definitions of butt slam. Oh, what? Of our babies. I'll tell you when you are 27. 27? That's like 8 years. What is it? 18 or 7 million. Oh, I want to drink back milk. Bye-bye. Down on our ceiling. Ding dong. Hi. What are you doing here, evil scorpion? What? Evil scorpion. 3, 2, 1.